Welcome to jazztime.com. Today we're going to be reviewing the Patek Philippe Calatrava 5119R-001. We're going to go through a few things about the case, the bracelet, the movement, tell you a few cool things, and tell you where you can buy it at jazztime.com. That's JAZTIME.com for the lowest price anywhere online. So let's go ahead and start. The watch, as I said, the case is 36 millimeters. That's between my thumb and my index finger. It has a rose gold case, as you can see. That means the case itself is made of rose gold. Now it's 36 millimeter, as I stated, and the dial is a white color with a Roman indexes, and it had sub-seconds down here at the 6 o'clock position. It's actually water resistant. You wouldn't think that it would be water resistant, but it is water resistant to 30 meters or 100 feet. Now it uses a mechanical winding movement, as you see here. Very beautiful movement, but it's mechanical winding, meaning you need to wind it every day in order for the watch to function. And it uses a caliber 215 PS, and I'm going to show you how you would wind it. You take the crown here, you hear that? That's the wind. Okay, now let's take a look at that bezel. It has a hobnail pattern, and what that means is, you see how it has these little bumps? Well, that's what they call the hobnail pattern. Okay, it's quite unique to the Calatrava. And as I was stating before, when you wind the movement, it has a 44-hour power reserve. It has 18 jewels and 5 bridges, and it has a Gyromax balance wheel with 28,800 hertz of vibration per hour. The balance spring is a Spiromax, and it has these quite difficult to see hallmarks, but very beautiful, where my thumb is pointing to. These are gold hallmarks. Okay. It's a very thin watch. The height of it is actually only 2.55 millimeters. This is a very thin watch. It's a dress watch, as you can see. And it comes with the alligator strap. Now, at the time of this video, the watch retails for $21,500 as of November 2016. And you can buy it at jazztime.com, that's JAZTIME.com, for as low as $17,200. So I'm going to try it on my wrist for you. And there it is, the very beautiful Patek Philippe 5119R-001 white Roman dial. If you like this video, press the subscribe button below. Check us out at jazztime.com. We offer a 1-year warranty, free shipping, and a low price guarantee. Check us out at jazztime.com.